I'm here with Daniele, who is the product line director for Bobcat Attachments. Look, first of all, thank you for meeting me. People often refer to Bobcat loaders. Sometimes they're only familiar with buckets, with pallet forks, with sweepers, which of course you have a whole range of now. But as we're standing here in the road construction section, there is so much more to it than that.
We have more than 180 different families.
Really?
Yes. Of course, some families are crossing between different carriers, and we have more than 1,300 attachments.
1,300?
Yes. So the biggest portfolio we have is on the loader, but it's across excavator, compact wheel loader, skid steer loader.
Because these are solutions-based attachments for customers.
Correct.
Up ahead of us is something that we're going to test in a minute, is the range of wheel saws. Can you talk us through some of the applications where you see the Bobcat wheel saw working?
Yeah, of course, the wheel saw it's mostly for fiber optic, and it's very quick solution because in the past the customer were working with breakers and buckets to break the asphalt or the concrete, and today we can make it much quicker, or 10 times or 20 times quicker with the wheel saw.
It seems, from my perspective on it, in terms of road construction and maintenance, planers, wheel saws, asphalt spreaders, sweepers,
Correct.
Form 1 buckets, the whole solution can be taken care of with one machine through the variety of attachments.
Correct. This is our mission, to bring to our customer the full solution.
Because we were playing earlier with the max control, they were saying to us that all the attachments that can be run via the remote control, which of course is another layer to the site.
We have two different solutions in remote controlling. One is the radio remote control, and the other one is the
max control.
Yeah. But you can run many different attachments from the side of the street without entering on the machine, right?
How are you at driving the controls yourself? Are you able to do it?
Absolutely. When I was a kid, I was playing with not PlayStation, maybe PlayStation 1.
Sega Mega Drive.
And it's easy for me because I was playing a lot when I was a kid.
I got a chance to see the new range of 800 series loaders, but they were talking about a super high flow. Okay, we're used to standard flow, we're used to high flow, and now we have another level, again, in super high flow. I'm assuming we're going to see a dedicated range of attachments come out for those larger series loaders?
There will be planers, forestry cutters, and snowblower. With the planer dedicated to the super high flow, the customer can get a huge benefit on the productivity and efficiency.
My last question for you, and I won't take up any more of your time. Favorite attachment in all the entire range? If you had to pick one, what one would you go for?
My last baby, of course, the pressure washer.
The pressure washer,
yes. Because you know the story of pressure washer it was during the COVID.
Yes.
We were requested to launch a smart attachment to protect the environment, to put some liquid against this COVID period, right? To sanitize.
Yes.
And we ran this project in 5 weeks.
You ran it in 5 weeks?
It was unbelievable. No, normally
a couple of late nights over that then as well.
The is 9 to 12 months, and we ran during the COVID in 5 weeks.
But no, look, listen, thank you so much for meeting me
and
for taking the time to show us the products. And
thank you very much.
That's great. Welcome to episode 3 of the Adare Machinery vlog, coming to you live from the world's biggest construction event, Bauma 2022.